Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of Microsoft Edge, Edge in the recent versions has received a new feature which could be very useful. So if you go into your Edge browser and you are on a web page where there are pictures, say for example I'm going to use Space Weather here, and I go on a page and I see pictures that I want to magnify. There's a new zoom option. If you right click on the images, or if you hover over the image and click Control twice, you can now use the magnify image option, which will bring you a magnified version that you can actually zoom in. So the more resolution a picture has, the better it is, and you can zoom in and zoom out of this picture. So this is new. It's could be useful. Sometimes, you know, you want to see something particular, so you want to zoom in on the picture for maybe seeing a tag or seeing something that is a little too small. And especially when the pictures have a lot of resolution, really works well. You know, before what we had to do is most of the time we would, you know, either crop or take part of the image, or we would download it to see it in the photo viewer to magnify it. And the good news is that there's a lot of pictures out there that you cannot download, or you know, they're kind of blocked or locked on the website. Well, you can still magnify with this option on the computer. So this is on Microsoft Edge browser. So what you're seeing here is on Windows 10. It is available also on Windows 11, and it's brand new. It's going to tell you when you right click on an image, you're going to see it. It says new, as a new option here. So magnify image is the new feature that you can use in Microsoft Edge. Could be useful in some cases. So one of the useful features that was actually integrated into the Edge browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.